Article 74 of the Constitution, my lady, you are called upon to administer the oath of office of Deputy Governor. I now call upon my lady to take her position on the podium for the purposes of taking the oath. I also call upon the Deputy Governor to take his position on the podium.
So good morning, everyone. And administer the oath of office in accordance with Section 31 of the County Government Act. Honorable Elijah Obebo, you'll now raise the Bible with your right hand and hold the Constitution with, just hold it, yeah. Then you will repeat the oath after me. You say I and say your name, and then read the oath as it is written in front of you.
I, Elijah Obebo, do swear that I shall always, truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Deputy Governor of Kisii County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office, and I shall do justice in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya without fear, favor, affection, or ill will, and so help me God.
So we shall proceed to have the oath signed. You have the